Hello guys, so we are here by our greenhouse. Yeah, so this is how it looks now. And I harvested some of the veggies here inside last time. But in that side guys, I planted some bell pepper there. Yeah, there are just few bell pepper that I grew here. And as we go inside here, I let Anyong to help me build a trellis in this part also. And let us walk in here, guys. Yeah, look at that over there going down. It's like I don't know what to do because yeah, I still water them once a day, but this is how it looks when there is no rain. And our peachy start to grow and they are quite a lot in one pot, but the oh my gahi anoy sayuto, but the soil it's getting harder, so I need to water this afternoon. Last time I harvest some of this, only few. And yeah, there are some of the spinach really growing bigger here. And I don't know, hopefully really I kept praying that it will rain. Even I water the plant once a day, they really need a lot of water because I really control to use water here because of no rain. I'm afraid that our deep well will get dry. So this is my bitter gourd here. There are few only growing. And this is now our long beans. It starts flowering already and fruiting. And now the eggplant here. And also our cucumber in this part. But our cucumber here has a lot of flowers and start fruiting coming out. Yes, guys. Even there are quite a lot of small cucumber coming out. Agay, Louie! And oh my. Yeah, and there are some are ready to pick again. Like down there. Maybe not this time because I already picked some here for our salad. Maybe next time. Okay guys, so let's harvest some of our eggplant. Yan, nag-harvest pa tayo. May mga bunga na kasi. Last time I harvest, binigay ko sa aming worker kasi hindi ko pa naman lulutuin. So, at least, yung family niya, may makain din. And last Sunday, when I get in here by our greenhouse, I noticed that the trellis, especially on this bed, fell down, like broken. The woods are broken. So maybe because it's quite heavy, there are a lot of bottle gourd coming out last time and then just fell down. Louis! No! Oh! And the bottle gourd is on the top and the tomatoes down below. They are getting bigger already. Oh my, the bottle gourd start climbing. But I don't know what's going on here. This one's getting bad. I had to cut this. I guess, yeah. But there are quite a lot of fruits coming out again on this battle gourd here. So let's go back in front. So our spinach here. Louie, no! La! Start really growing good, thank God. And in this one, I just planted some seeds of jalapeno. I don't know what's the name of that. Yeah, I start to plant that in these beads about yesterday, I guess. Yeah, yesterday. We'll see if there are coming out. It's not yet. It really needs water. Oh, I let na yan yung fix the trellis over there by the battle gourd and the tomatoes area. And in here, as you can see, I asked Noy Anyong to build me another trellis on this part. Yeah, and good thing he able to find some woods outside. So he can make this one. And as you can see down below, there are some vegetables already coming out. And like beans and tomatoes, like the tomatoes over there, I already harvested some of the fruits on it and we use it already. I'm planning to, I guess, clear this area, but there are fruit coming out already. I picked some this morning, but I give it away to our worker so he can use it because it is not much. Yeah. So I'm planning to grow more like cucumber maybe or other crops or vegetables that I can grow on these beads. I try to maximize the usage of our greenhouse to grow vegetables rather than I plant it by the dragon fruit because in this area it is easy for me to access, especially and watering the plants rather than I go farther. There are times I cannot water all the plants here in the farm one day. So mostly really every day I water the plant here. So this is it, guys. The trellis on this bed is finished. Yeah, good thing now. So what I gonna do is I just add more straw on the top and that's it. Yeah, and then plant more vegetables here. So I guess that is for today's, guys, and thank you for watching. And do like, comment, and share, and please don't forget to subscribe into my YouTube channel. God bless us all.